Hi guys, Shae coming in to talk about 3 hair accessories, or in my case 3 lock accessories that I like to wear in my hair, on my hair, however you want to say it. So I'm going to be showing you how I wear a hat, a scarf, and also a what do you call it, like a headband. A hat, a scarf, and a headband. So please stay tuned if you would like to see. All right, guys, let's get into it. My first accessory is a headband. So I got this headband from Macy's. I ordered it online. And what I like about this headband is that it is super, super tight. You know, I hate when I get headbands and they're just like too loose and they just slide off or they don't feel secure. But this one is super, super tight. I think it was about $6. So yeah, so I'm putting it on here and you just have to position it. Let me speed it up for you guys a little bit. You just have to play around, make sure, you know, that you kind of position your locks and fix them the way you like, and make sure none are sticking out. I'm at that stage where it's like in the middle, they kind of stick out, they're kind of long, but anyway, I manage it and we're good to go. So the second lock accessory that I have is an African head wrap. So I ordered this from Amazon. It was fairly cheap. I can't remember exactly how much it was. I'm sure it was under $15, 15 or less. It's very long. It's like a tube sock. So I'm showing you, that's the end, of course, because there's the tag. So I like to put my bonnet on up under this one. It's soft enough though to where you don't have to wear the bonnet if you don't want to, but I just kind of like to do it to protect my locks and to keep them moisturized. So this is a good thing to use, a good accessory to use, like if you're in between retwist or you just want to give your locks a break, you want to keep them moisturized. A beautiful head wrap is what you need. So here I'm just putting it on, putting the front part on just like you would do like a sock, I guess. Making sure that I have it twisted right and that I put it on right, because I have put it on backwards at times, but this is the right way because I can see the little crisscross there in the front, so I know that this is right. All right, so after you do that, all you want to do is just literally wrap it around. So you're just wrapping and you're wrapping and you're wrapping. And I'm making sure that I'm like pulling it tight because I want it to be secure and tight. So I'm just wrapping. And then finally at the end, you just tuck it in. Really, really simple. Really simple. This is the easiest one. I'm not good with head wraps, but this one was so easy to use because all you have to do is wrap it around. There are other ways that you can wear it, but this is like my favorite way. All right, so I'm just making sure it's all secure, making sure everything's tucked in properly. And voila, there you go. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see how it looks on the side, how it looks in the back. Oh, how did that string get on my back? Whatever. Okay, so, and then the other side. So everything is all tight, it's under there, it's secure, and we are done. Whew, let me take this off and shake these dreads. I'm working hard for you guys today, working hard. All right, last accessory is a Fedora hat. So I haven't worn this out yet, hence is why the tag is still on. But I got this Fedora hat at H&M. I believe I got it in December, or no, yeah, December. And I ordered it online as well. I do a lot of online shopping. The tag is still on. It is a large. It is a large. And that is what you need if you have LOCs, because anything else will probably be too tight. So it's a large, and this is the easiest accessory to use. All you have to do is position your LOCs the way you want them and put your hat on, and you are good to go. So of course, you know, you can wear this in the fall and winter just to jazz up any outfit. It's just a classic look. I think it'll never go out of style. So there we have it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got to the end of this video, please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. That would really help me out a lot. And I will see you in the next video.